Hey everybody. So meta tags, I believe, is a part of technical SEO. But then there are companies or experts out there who also believe this should be a part of on-page optimization. Hence, I've added it here in on-page optimization. So in case if you missed it back in the technical SEO part, then you should go back and watch it again. Okay. In case if you missed it, then you should watch it. But if you remember, once you have the search phrases that you have selected, you should use them in the title tag of your website, in the title tag of each and every single page of your website. You should also add it to the description tag of the site. And then of course, every once in a while, you can use it in keyword tag, not in every single page, not every single time, but once in a while, it doesn't hurt. And if you do add the keywords in your keyword tag, make sure you don't add more than 1 or 2 at most, and that's about it. So your hyper-focused keyword for the hyper-relevant landing page with hyper-relevant content, okay? So like I said, if you haven't seen or if you missed the meta tags video back in the technical module, then please go back and watch it. And I'll see you in the next video.